This week, link one debit order or more to your bank account on the NetBank Money app to stand a chance to win an iPhone or Samsung tablet up to the value of 20,000 Rand. Welcome to Amabenzo TV, it's the DSTV Premiership, Orlando Pirates 1, Amazulu 0. I'm joined by Tebogo Mobi.
My man, I just want to say thanks to Orlando Pirates fans.
Yes.
To come in numbers. I just want to say thanks.
What?
To everyone who came here today.
Tell them.
Those who are at the street, you are missing something.
Hey.
Firstly, let me go to those topics and come here.
Yeah.
My man, these boys inside the field, they are telling those Mr. Refs, that if it was not brown envelope, we were supposed to be on top. They are telling Patrice Motsepe that we are coming to CAF. Patrice Motsepe, we are coming to CAF. They're telling what is that kind of? They're telling those guys there, Al Ahly, that we are coming against you.
Yes.
Tell me about that guy.
Man,
you call him
man,
he's a friend.
Man,
They told me that he's a friend.
Man,
That guy, Sundowns coach. Rulani. If it was not brown envelope, Rulani, we were supposed to be on top.
Do you have a message for Rulani Mokoena?
Rulani Mokoena, the only message that I have I will face you to the final of CAF next season. If it was not brown envelope, we were supposed to be on top.
Man of the match member.
Man of the match is obvious. Tamaya Galibito.
Did you hear what Extin said?
Libito. Irigobute. Amma. Mtwene Extin naibua. Extin who feel I can go to play with those boys who were Sipugo, Stiba Sipugo. Baba Baran Jesse Sipugo Abatiba. Uisha Garagabara Jessele. And you're still a young boy. You can come and join us. How about that? You can still come, boys. And now we know about Ushwa. I peri Jesse Pirates. Extin Urlobata Ushwa. I peri Jesse Pirates. Okay, I don't want to forget this. I just want to say. Send a message to those guys who did wrongs, who like to take brown envelope. Stop taking brown envelope. Taking brown envelope. Stop taking brown envelope. Stop taking brown envelope. There is something on Monday. There is other people on Monday. We have in South Africa, remember?
Tell him.
In South Africa, in Africa, we are the only country to host the World Cup. But we are still the only country to have a fake VAR on Monday. Fake VAR. We have fake VAR on Monday. If we can have VAR during the game, it's better than to have a VAR on Monday. Let me tell you, stop taking brown envelope. You tell us on Monday that this is an offside. This is a penalty. It was not a penalty. I'm telling you, we are coming to you, but you can still fix it. Fix it, Jesse Globo. I don't want to cry. I don't want to cry, my man.